First thing you will focus on?
I'd like to lay a predicate first. I am running for president, and I never wanted to be one, actually. But if I get elected, then so you just no. I was just joking with the lady. Ayoko talaga. I do not covet. I've said repeatedly. There was never in any forum that I said I'm running. Sabihin ko na lang ngayon, total, nandito na lang rin lahat. Ayaw ng pamilya ko. Pati yung anak ko nung naging mayor. And she is very vocal about it. And I don't know about my first wife. I have not talked to her. But my second wife, she does not also want me into the loop. The third and fourth, may dalawa pa ako. If I want to be president, you should know that I have this vice versa. Pero ito, I keep this sort of mysticism, but hindi ito gastos ng gobyerno. I mean, they do not